There's another turtle. Or maybe the same one, hell if I know. Remember where I was when I saw him on the way in. Oh, my arm. Stretchy poo. Oh, right into a spider web. But that's alright, single strand. Oh, near the dump. I was like, what's with all the vultures and circling? And I see the incinerator tower. Whew.